Alright, what's up, y'all? Day 27. Coding every day until I get a summer job for next summer. I'm going back, doing one of the leak codes I skipped. I know this is a DP problem, so it's probably going to take me a while if I get it. And the rest of the plan is going to be some more work on strengths. Show you guys kind of what I did. And what I plan to do. Yeah, that'll be it for tonight. So, I skipped this one because I think I took a nap after work instead. So, let's see. Given two positive integers, n and x, the number of ways n can be expressed as the sum of x to the power of unique positive integers. In other words, the number of sets of unique integers where n equals... Interesting, okay. So x is fixed and is always the power. Sure, okay. Okay. Can you do something? We have like 3 raised to the n plus 3 raised to the n. Is that allowed? No. Okay, unique. Okay. Huh. Trying to think of what we would recursively need here. Like what is our recursive step? I'm just trying to think like what would like the ith position represent? Because like largely I'm thinking something like what is the upper bound here? Like the x root of n? Like that's what I'm trying to think of. I don't think this is backtracking. Yeah, it might be. I gotta think just from like a stateful perspective, what do you need? Like, what are our parameters? Each DP is the number of So is 1D or 2D? Is this? That's fine. I originally went into this and I was like, I think I need 2D, but I think it's just 1D. That's smart. So it'd be what? N raised to the 1 over x, and take the ceiling of this. I just like full hit the Freudian, not Freudian, like the just deep rooted n equals length in my head. Do I need n or n plus 1? I actually think this might be stupid. Why don't I just go up to n? I actually think this is fine. Right, because you'll never have something larger than that. So yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, what the fuck? So we loop. Okay, loop up to our max iteration. So it's essentially like each one we need to calculate. We're reaching back by some. Yeah. Okay, so reach back is going to be so I raised to x. Yeah. And then we do how do we know what we're reaching back by? Like we're going to be doing so we need to be going from greater, because we're always going to be doing like wherever we are. Like if we're at the end of the array, we reach back by this amount. It'd be the number of ways that way. I don't know if this is right. So maybe I should just run through a problem here. Like, okay, we have it's 10 raised to the 1/2, which is going to be what, 4? Ceiling of this. So then we reach back 1 times x, so reach back equals 1. What the fuck are we doing with this value? It's like all values previous to it. So we need to start at val, or like start at the reach back, go up until max iter. Reach back maybe. Is that even fucking right? I don't know. just needed to do this. Y. 1, 1, 2, 3. What's your LeetCode handle? Aiden-Lee11. Maybe it has to be. Gotta mod this. I don't think that's gonna change anything though. Okay, so like, what do I expect this to be? Like, is this max iter thing a bad idea? Maybe we're double counting here. How am I out of range? Our max iter is 4, which is right. Is it counting down correctly? Is this also supposed to be +1? Check my portfolio. I might later. I'm trying to do this right now, though. Sorry. Why is this not propagating now? Oh shit, okay. Damn it. Fuck, what am I missing? One, 1, 0. Of course, there's no way to make. But that just should be a 1. What? To it. What's the max iteration here? So it'd be 2. So we'd be doing it 3. Which is right. The initial 1 is always 1. So we go from 1 to 3. We should have 1. We're going 3 to 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that'd be 0. How would this actually not? B plus 1. No. So it's 2, 1. Like, it should be able to reach back. Fuck, I'm such an idiot. I actually just don't understand this. I don't understand how this is wrong. I don't know. I actually just don't know. Like, what if I just do it to n? Fuck this stupid shit. What did I hear? I was just checking. Fuck off. So it's just this stupid thing I was doing. Really? It's O1 knapsack? Alright, whatever. What did you want me to check out? You wanted me to check out... How do you even look up profiles, actually? I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue how to look up people's profiles. Ooh, maybe I can put it in here. Oh yeah, like right around the same time. Yeah, so many submissions done for like not a lot of days. Dang. You're grinding. A lot of hearts, holy shit. God damn, you do a lot in one day. Holy fuck. My goat. Alright. Let's attempt another similar thing and try to implement BFS here. Grinding DP, that's fair. After that problem, I feel like I need to. Oh, so stupid. Alright, let's try to make a BFS solution to this. Let's essentially copy you. Let's make a BFS. I'm going to need you. Okay. What is our BFS going to be? I don't think we need this. Actually, just don't think we need a lot of this because we're going to have to do it completely different. How are we calling this again? Yes, yes, okay. Okay, so we need a deck. Std deck, sure. Std deck of what? We will have a class of nodes, right? Right? Can I keep it up? Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. Okay. So we will originally q.push back. Shouldn't these be references? I think they should be. Oh no. Maybe we don't need a path, we just need one node. I haven't implemented BFS in so long. Holy shit. Continue to code in the evening. Hey. Keep grinding, brother. I'm watching member function. Huh? I'm confused. Oh. Should this not be a thing of references, though? I feel like it just should be. Template allocate declared as a pointer. I just need to do that. So while it's not empty, we have to grab all of its neighbors. Do we have to grab all the neighbors? Node cur node is q dot pop front. Right, we pop from the front, right? Yeah, yeah. For then fuck me, can I type kernel.neighbors? Oh, it still has a variable type. Does popback not return? Bro, it doesn't. God damn it. Then for all the neighbors, I feel like I'm gonna need to keep the state of what the path is. And what's going to be our path so far? It's probably the worst way to do this. Why don't I just take you? Can't do that. Can I not do that? So I can't do that. Okay. I'm not using namespace did. Apparently it's not as idiomatic, and I'm new to C++, so I'm kind of forcing me to think. If I pull this out here. Return curse string and path. Else for the node and nodes, we would push back the neighbor and what's like the good way to do this? I should really just look up BFX example in C++. I don't want to like make a whole nother thing. I think I have to. What's up, Sam? I just think this is a horrible way of doing it, so I'll have to code review it after. But right now I just can't think of a better way. An Apple interview on Thursday, but I don't know if you want to do it. Oh shit, man. I mean, there's little to no benefit to not doing it, right? Yeah, I feel like Apple's just so secure. Like AWS is also, is AWS secure? Because doesn't AWS have like if you're in the bottom 6% or something, you just get fired? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I guess that's fair. Everybody has it. I don't think this is going to actually... Right, this is a none case. Yeah. Should... Nah, Sam's just cracked like that, bro. Should have to take this case. Hate that my formatter isn't working. It's actually annoying the hell out of me. What is RPM? Yeah, I need to figure out why my fucking thing isn't running. Oh, product manager? Yeah, fuck me. I knew that. Why am I getting this formatter's unavailable? Dude, that's what I'm fucking worried about, Sam. Like, I don't know. I feel like I have just so much stress on myself for this, like, next year's summer. I don't know. I'm like extremely scared. I cannot lie. Like, they're all installed, bro. Safe farm to Google is kind of crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm just hoping I can get something with name value. Because, like, the one I'm at right now, like, I don't know, it's decent, but I just get nothing from, like, name value wise. You know? So it's, like, kind of scaring me. Okay, why is Clang format not found? Yeah, Berkeley's tough. I mean, like, Northwestern's not bad. But, I don't know. It's not like a target for... It's like a target for, like, trading schools. Not really a target for... really a target for, like, main big tech stuff. Also, I'm gonna have to end soon. So I gotta call my girlfriend before she goes to bed. Let's see if this even remotely works. Temp length. Yes, I do actually need to pass you. Yeah, okay. Something like... Bet that size is greater than a temp length. Actually, do I even want a temp length? I kind of don't. Kind of fine without being... maybe. Okay, something's aggressively fucked up. Maybe it is time to include a temp length. Bring me to the bottom of the file. I'll do it before here. That size greater than a temp length. This is significantly slower. It just never found leftovers? What the fuck? I move apartments next week after 2 years. Damn. Fucking congrats, Sam. That's huge. Congrats, man. That's sick. You're still like staying in the area, just like better place? That's gotta feel so nice, actually. Is it like, you doing it solo, or like, do you still have roommates? Or I guess maybe not roommates, maybe like a girlfriend? Or are you doing the solo dolo? No roommates after college? Been solo? That's gotta be nice, man. I got respect for you. Not moving in. It's fair. Fair. I don't know why this fails. Okay. I had my thing, and now I'm gonna have... what are the problems? I want to figure out why. There's definitely just like things I'm just missing. So, I don't know. I got a fine implementation, I think. But it's definitely significantly slower than DFS. Like, if I do this one instead of this and make, like, that's so much faster. Ah, fuck me. Yeah, that's fair. That's aggressively stupid. This should have the node as well. Okay. That was, yeah. Yeah, why am I storing the node too? We could just look at the end of the node and then look at those neighbors. Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck am I doing, actually? That's so stupid. Wait, be nicer to yourself. Okay, so we would just need this. We would just need this. Then we could take path. string cur path equal, or cur string is path to string, something like this. The fuck did I name it? String from path? Okay, there we go. Yeah. So is it just that? Yeah, I definitely, I don't know. Would this be better? Because it's only like 7 elements. I think it's fine. I think the DFS is still faster. So what if I try to implement the unordered set thing? So it's saying like if I store these as unordered set, let's just remake you. I don't need this to be a thing of solver actually. Just make you an unordered set. What's happening here? Oh, okay, yeah. You can just be an unordered set. Unordered set. This should not be camel. Whatever. But how do I get the last node of a path? Like inherently it's unordered. Oh, hell no. Okay, actually just undo all this shit. Okay. No, that's fine. Maybe I'm missing something with this try thing. Also, I think I'm not going to implement the try, but I'm just going to call it here with the BFS, but I do want to just check it out and make sure this is working. One try for the whole dictionary. So I see. At the same time you get a pointer, start your search for the character on the board. Wait. Oh, so it's one try for the whole thing? Wait, what? Move from the tries into every node. So if you're both at C, so the I didn't think about the try representing the solutions, if I'm interpreting this right. Ah, okay. Fuck me. I just had this all wrong. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense, actually. Alright, well, that's for tomorrow. To do. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll make it a try for each word. It'll be much quicker. I don't know why, when I was thinking through this problem, I was like, oh, tries won't work because we're doing it for each node, and then it doesn't really make sense. I did not even remotely think that I should be using it for the solutions. Fuck, that's so smart. Why am I so stupid? Okay, anyways. On that note, we will be implementing this tomorrow. Got some cool stuff done still. Not unhappy with it, but yeah. Okay. Anybody that's watching this, have a great rest of your night. Thank you for stopping by and sharing some of your time with me. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, I got that in the description. Join the Discord. Yeah. Sam, hope your move goes swimmingly. No issues. Yeah. You'll kill the Apple interview if you choose to do it. Have a good night, man.